Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial elements of personal finance budgeting. Specifically, a game-changing technique called the 50-30-20 rule that can help you achieve financial freedom faster than you think. So, let's not waste any time and get right into it. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet highly effective budgeting strategy. Here's how it breaks down. 50% needs. Rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. 30%. Wants. Dining out, entertainment, vacations. 20%. Savings and debt repayment. Emergency fund, retirement, paying off debt. This method is designed to ensure you're covering your necessary expenses, enjoying your life, and still saving for the future. But why is budgeting so critical, especially right now? Think about it. Unpredictable economic shifts, soaring inflation rates, and the rising cost of living means managing your finances smartly is no longer an option. It's a necessity. Just taking a few minutes to set up your budget can protect you from financial stress and uncertainty down the road. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend without even realizing it. That coffee habit, those impulse online purchases, they all add up quickly. By implementing the 50-30-20 rule, you can take control of your finances in 3 powerful steps. Step 1. Track your spending. First things first. Track every penny you spend for a month to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. Next, divide your expenses into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Remember, needs are essentials like rent and groceries, wants are fun extras, and savings cover your future financial goals. Step 3. Allocate your budget. Finally, allocate your income according to the 50-30-20 rule. Adjust where necessary to ensure you're living within your means and achieving your savings goals. By taking these steps, you'll be amazed at how much better you'll feel: less stress, more savings, and a future you can look forward to with confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Start budgeting today and unlock your journey to financial freedom. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching.